In this video, I will subscribe to all my subscribers using automation. This will be my Christmas gift to all the RPA champions. I'm sure you have heard this before. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you find the content of this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. If you're a YouTuber, you have asked this probably hundreds of times of your fans, and if you're just watching YouTube videos, you've probably heard this in almost every single video. RPA champions, thank you all for subscribing. It has been one amazing year from 0 to 2,500 subscribers. A crazy year will be ahead, filled with new technologies and new automations. But for now, let me bring some Christmas joy and subscribe to you all. The first thing that we will do is extract all of our subscribers. This is easy when using Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. I have done a detailed video on how to do just that in just a few couple of steps. You can find the link in the description above. As I said, we will be using automation. So let me walk you through the process I have built. The first thing we will do is navigate to the right tab on YouTube. After that, we are going to loop through all of the pages inside of our subscribers list. We are going to extract all of the subscribers and put them in an Excel sheet. But at the same time, we're going to click the subscriber button on the table as well. This is achieved using a dynamic selector. I have included a link to a video that will show you how to create dynamic selectors above. This is the quickest way to do this process. However, it might not be the most accurate way to do this process. As I always like to say, there is many different ways that an automation can be done. This is the quickest way. We could do this in another way, which is by using an extracted link from the profile page and adding some magic to the link, such as this, and transforming this into a subscribe link. However, we chose the simplest way. I also think it might break my profile if we subscribe to every channel, but let's see what happens. I have also saved this process and I want to share it with you. If anybody wants to subscribe to their subscribers, they can use the process that I have created and just run it, and it should work. I will be dropping the link to this to the file to be downloaded as of January 1st, when my new webpage is going to be available, where you're going to find this process and many other processes available to download for free. One more special announcement: I am looking for a Discord admin. The Discord community is growing fast and I'm looking for some help on it. If there is an automation RPA appassionado amongst you that wants to help me out grow the community and spread the word of automation by helping me out admin the group on Discord, please let me know. So, RPA champions, wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Here is the bot in action, as you have seen for the past few minutes. I hope you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a Merry Christmas.